Ahmed Abu Hamad. Everyone wants to write correctly. So today we will use the sounds to write correctly. In English we have 26 letters and 26 sounds, and that's wrong. We have 26 letters and 44 sounds, and these sounds called acoustics. Badly, we will take the sounds for 3 letters: A, E, and I. So let's start with the first word, A. His sound is like hat, wax, dam. The second one is E. His sound is like fist, bin, and sit. We know the sounds for A and E, but how can we differentiate between them? To know that, listen to these examples: bad, bed, lad, lid, lag, leg. As you see, A is slow as a snail, but E is fast as a jaguar. But why? Why E is fast? Because it is the first letter in energy, and energy have a power. And that's explain why E is fast. Now, let's play something. I will say a word, and you should know, is it include A or E? Let's start with the first word. Sam. Is it A or E? Of course, it's A. Now, the second one is men. Is it A or E? It's E. The last one is lad. Is it A or E? Of course, it's A. Let's read the sentence. I will read it twice, then you read it. Okay? Dip is on the bed. Dip is on the bed. Rex and the hen get fed. Rex and the hen get fed. We take the sounds for A and E. But what is the sounds for I? It is eh. For example, bet, sit, fit. In a sentence, Sis and Liz sit on the rim. Sis and Liz sit on the rim. Now say with me: sat, sit.